How to download Instagram videos and reels. So first of all, launch Instagram app on your mobile devices. Once you are logged on to your account, you can directly tap on the Reels category at the bottom. Now, once you come to the Reels feed, you will see all the public Reels shared by the users. However, if you are willing to download video from a private account, you won't be able to see the option of download. So on Instagram, you won't be able to see the option of download. So what you can do is, on a public video, tap on this arrow button. From here, go ahead and tap on Add to Story. Once you do so, tap on this drop-down button. From here, go ahead and tap on Save. So, this is a simple trick that will allow you to download videos and reels on Instagram easily. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.